So let's take a walk. Stanley House. These zebra crossings are giving Singapore vibes. First Capital. C300.
It's a beautiful facade.
What?
Glass.
Yes.
This one. Another build that building is just very nice. Those are like simple messages.
Oh wow, what is this? Is that a garden? Whose hotel?
Because
Oh, Michael's. Oh, I never even saw that. What I'm interested in is this garden on this floor. Interesting. Then a park. Uh-oh. Sit and run here. Where's he going? Let's go. Okay. And a park. And a park. Every city, every town needs a park. A public park. Hyatt Regency. This is an interesting building. Some serious architecture here, but I'm impressed with the park. Bit run down, footpaths all over, but it's a park. It is a park. Trashy. But there's benches, there's bins everywhere. Oh, that's green. All right, listen, if you are in city planning or if you're in local government, do not sell open areas just because you want money. You must leave public spaces, even in the middle of city. This is prime land which could be used to build big skyscrapers like that. But it's a good recharge area and it's a good public park. We need green spaces, we need parks in every city. The trees are lining the paths. This is beautiful. We need these places. I'm happy to see this. This could cost millions as this is, but it's a park for the public. You don't know how much people need this until you have a park and you see how many people are sitting. Kitwe City Square has Kaunda Square. Other than that, I don't know where else in Zambia. Near Universal Church in Kamwala, that could be a small park, but no. See, it even has a fountain, albeit a dry one, but hey.
Ice cream.
All right, time to go. And another water feature. This is beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Africa Unity Square, in commemoration of the 25th anniversary of the Organization of African Unity, OAU, which is now changed to the AU. Founded on 25th May 1963. I think 25th May is a holiday, Africa Freedom Day. Yes. So this was memorial, dedicated by His Excellency Comrade Robert Gabriel Mugabe in 1988, on Africa Freedom Day 1988. So it's a beautiful place. What a beautiful park, ladies and gentlemen. From all corners of the city, it's a square with a well-kept garden.